Complete Python development course for beginners. I will talk about from very basic to advanced and clear a path to become Pythoneer or Pythonist. This course will start and cover about variables, functions, statement, list, loop, set, dictionary, input, output, classes, library, error handling, file handling, and lot more things. So you will be covering from very basic. I will also talk you about the small project how you can implement in your day-to-day life. So this is one complete course if you are a beginner or a professional programmer. If you are a complete programmer, then you must attend this course. I teach every concept from very beginning. And this is not a 40-hour course. This is a complete comprehensive course which is about 7 to 8 hours. This course is quite realistic. This course is for the student who want to start development or programming or the industry employee who want to shift from one language to any other language. This course is also for the people who want to build their foundation in the programming language. So this course is basically for everyone who want to start programming and want to start their programming and reach to the advanced level. This course also for the people who want which framework or library is meant for and what to choose library. I built this course from beginners who build this strong foundation about the Python. In this lecture, I post the links in my description of the video for all the external sources of this video. I have completed all the checklist how to start Python and what to do after learning it. You can start this course and complete in the simple manners. 2016 was good, 2017 was amazing, 2018 was better. Python is growing at a very fast speed, so you should not miss the opportunity in 2022. This is the self-paced course and you have no deadline. You have to follow your own discipline, you have to follow own timetable and you can achieve this course in real-time manner. And the most important thing, programming and development are building the programmer. You have to keep your pace and you have to check your weak and strong points at this course. You might start developing big apps, you might start the website, but you have to confidence about your concepts. To grab the concepts of the Python, this course is really amazing for you. Python is easy to follow and have some work ethics and discipline to follow the course. It take time and it take efforts and it take attention to detail. So this is the right time to start. In 2022, count into your calendar. Let's start the 2022 with the Python. This course is really exciting to you see in inside. I hope you will enjoy this course from very beginnings to the end. I will see you in my next class about how to start Python. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel because I am bringing latest industry standard courses for free for my student. I will see you guys in my next video.